Of the Operations Manual. Welcome to this video lecture for the Entrepreneurship 3 Operations Management course. When we look at the Operation Manual, we're going to look at specific components of the Operations Manual. First, we need to identify how this document is going to be written. It's clearly a business document, needs to be readable, specifically with grammar and formatting. We want to make sure that there is a table of contents. Mistake a lot of people make with table of contents, they just list the individual chapters or sections of the document. Table of contents without corresponding page numbers is like a map without cities. And so we want to make sure that we identify which page each of those areas are in so I can find it quickly. Also, with that means I need to have page numbers on every page. And so if I'm going to identify page 2, you need to have page numbers on the bottom or the top, wherever you're going to identify those page numbers, but there needs to be page numbers in the document itself. And so when we look at the manual and we look at what it consists of, these are the items that would come into play on your table of contents. And we're going to break down each of these sections as we move through the different videos that I've created on this topic. First is introduction. Second, we're going to talk about the organization as a whole. Third, we'll talk about emergency procedures, what to do in case of emergency, and we'll identify different types of emergencies that we're going to be looking at. Overall operations procedures. If we are manufacturing or we're using machining to create a product or service, then we'll have manufacturing procedures that we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at inventory controls, the whole area of human resources. How do we hire people? How do we train them? How do we evaluate them? The financial management of the business. What are our customer service standards? And very little, but some items on advertising and marketing of the business. Thank you for watching this video lecture on the Operations Manual. Please continue to watch the other videos that I've created. These videos will go into greater detail of each of the individual components of the Operations Manual.